How to grow your circle of gaming friends. Friends and family aren't always available to play games. So, how do you find new people of similar gaming styles, interests, skills, and values to expand your gaming community? Game shops try to fill this role, but it can be a little hit or miss as you never know who will show up or how similar your interests will be. Gamers.online is the platform taking on this challenge with a fantastic solution. Gamers.online is your gamers network platform and app that manages your gamers' CV, your gaming events, showcases your gamer world ranking, and helps you search and find your gamer friends. Gamers.online is completely free. You can set up your profile gaming preferences to configure your language, location, skill, personality, platform, availability, online gaming accounts, and tastes. You can then search for specific types of gamers or specific games, dialing in your search preferences to find the most optimal and compatible players and locations, creating friendships with people from all over the world. Gamers.online allows you to find any game, then create matches and schedule them in custom locations or online for others to join. You can use any popular online platform or other digital medium to connect. Or you can meet up at a local game store, mall, or other public or private venue if you want to play in person and you never have to share personal contact information. On each game's page, you can see information about how many people are looking for players to play with, as well as the profiles for other gamers who already play that game. You can join custom matches and tournaments and even see global rankings for how you stack up against others. You can rate games and build a library of games you own, games you want, and your favorites. Click on any gamer to see their profile to help you determine if you're a good fit. Add them as a friend for direct chats or invite them to a match. So, to grow your gaming community, check out Gamers.online today.